Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are preparing vegan donuts. I know what you are thinking, isn't that too much work? Well, not really. Anyone can make donuts at home and you'll be surprised to see how easy it is. If you're new to my channel, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you'd like to see more vegan videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's get started. Step number 1, activating the yeast. To a bowl, add warm water approximately 120 ml. Then add 1 tablespoon of vegan sugar and mix it till it dissolves. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of yeast to the water and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. And you can see the fast forwarded version of the yeast getting activated in the video. Now let's make the vegan buttermilk. To a bowl, take approximately 100 ml of soy milk or any other plant-based milk of your choice. Then add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and let it sit for 15 minutes. Once done, we'll move to step 2, the dough preparation. Add 400 grams of all-purpose flour to a mixing bowl. Then add 1/3 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of nutmeg, 50 grams of melted vegan butter. Add the vegan buttermilk, followed by the yeast water. Give it a slight mix to bring everything all together. Even though I'm using a stand mixer for this recipe, I like to mix it a little. The dough for the donuts is usually a little sticky and can be difficult to work with, and that's where the stand mixer makes the job so much easier. Add the dough hook and let it run on medium speed for 7 to 8 minutes. Once the dough is well combined, I'm going to take it out. Apply some oil to your hands. It will make it easier for you to work on the dough. Add oil on the working area as well and then place the dough and start rolling it in a ball shape. You can see that it's much easier to work on the dough now. Take the same bowl and drizzle some oil and brush it across the surface. Add the dough ball and rotate it so it is nicely coated with the oil. Then cover it with a damp towel or a plastic film and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours or till it doubles in size. Step number 3. Let's prepare the donuts. After 2 hours, we can see that the dough has risen and almost doubled in size. This is my favorite part, punching the dough. Now add some dry flour on a flatter surface and then add the dough. Press the dough to get all the air out. Then add some more dry flour on top of the dough and roll it out roughly around ½ inch thickness. Make sure that the dough is evenly rolled out. For the next part, if you have a donut cutter or a cookie cutter, use it, and if not, you can totally improvise just like me. I'm using this bowl to cut the donuts and a smaller shot glass for the inner part of the donut. With the leftover dough, combine it back and roll out to cut more donuts. And after a certain point, you might not be able to do that without compromising the size and the shape. So I'm using this small cookie cutter to make stuffed donuts. We will be filling them using chocolate, so we don't have to cut them from the center. Once you have sliced all the donuts, cover them and let them rest and rise for another 30 minutes. Meanwhile, step number 4, prepare the glaze. We are going to make the standard donut glaze and the chocolate glaze, starting with the normal icing glaze. To a bowl, add around 150 grams of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 45 to 50 grams of melted vegan butter. Whisk everything till they are well combined. Now, depending on how you prefer the thickness of the glaze, you can add or reduce the quantity of icing sugar. For the chocolate one, to a bowl, add 80 grams of cacao powder, 30 grams of icing sugar, 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Start adding the water, mix everything and keep on adding it gradually till you get the desired thickness. I later doubled the quantities to increase the size of chocolate glaze. I am filling some of it in a piping bag which will be used to fill the donuts later. Step number 5. Fry the donuts. Heat oil at medium temperature, approximately around 160 degrees Celsius. Then add the donuts to it. Make sure that the oil is not too hot, as we don't want the donuts to get crispy. We want the donuts to cook slowly and get soft and golden. Just like that. And it already smells amazing. Keep it on a wire rack to cool off a little. Then add the other donuts as well and cook them evenly from all the sides. After frying all the donuts, we will move towards the final step, dipping them in the glaze. Starting with our standard donut glaze, add the donut to it and make sure it is nicely coated. Adding the rest of the donuts in the icing as well. Once coated, place the donuts back on a wired rack so the excess icing drips out. I have lined the tray so it can catch the extra glaze and easier to clean later. Doing the same with the chocolate donut as well. You can either use a fork or chopsticks to help coat the donuts properly. Now to the ones we are going to fill. Take a chopstick or a skewer and make a hole. Then using a piping bag, fill it in till its maximum capacity. And there we go guys, we have the different types of donuts ready to go. Let's try them out. Starting with my favorite, the normal glazed donut. It's so soft and spongy and fluffy on the inside. Love it. You can always make the donuts with the minimum items at home and you don't have to go all fancy, cause at least for me, the plain donuts are the best ones. See how easy it was, and trust me, once you master this at home, you will think twice before buying them from the outside. Look at this one. The chocolate is oozing out of it. So, if you liked today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Foodotomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. You can also find the written recipe of this video on my website, foodotomic.com. If you're still looking for more vegan videos, check out this playlist right here. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.